everyone, welcome to Liam's Toy Time. Start your engines for a race. Our judge today is Skeleton Thomas. If we have ties, he can tell us who wins. Let's go. Round 1. Chewbacca versus Megarex. They both have charcoal rims. Ketchup, marmalade, pickles! That was Megarex, clearly. Next, we've got Wild Street versus Dodge Charger RT. I meant 4-wheel hive. Ooh, this ought to be good. On your marks, get set, go! Man, Wild Street by its high. Next, we have Dodge Charger RT General Lee Edition, Roger Dodger Toxic. Ooh, on your mark, get set, go!
Oh!
We gotta do a redo.
Yep.
On your mark, get set, go. Clearly Charger. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 versus Loco Punk Toxic. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, that was a tie!
Oh!
Skeleton Thomas, tell us who you think won.
He said he's going to give it to Loco Pump.
Okay, I agree. He's a little further than Hot Wheels Racing. We got into the semi-final round. Let's go. As you can see, I'm not saying ketchup, marmalade, pickles anymore. We got Wild Street versus Megarex rematch. On your mark, get set, go! Man, Wild Streak. Loco Punk Toxic versus Dodge Charger RT. Can Dodge Charger beat both of the Toxic versions of them? On your mark, get set, go! Loco Punk got there first, so the Toxic one eliminates a normal one. Wild Street versus Loco Punk Toxic. And we got this from eBay. On your marks, get set, go. Please drum roll.
Whoa! Our new truck took it. Wild Streak.
Congratulations to our champion.
Wild Streak.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Catch you later.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye. Later.